Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a clean end-to-end DICOM networking demo using DCMTK and 3D Slicer. We'll send DICOM files into Slicer using storescu and then send files out of Slicer using storescp. If you've ever wondered how scanners, PACS servers, and AI tools move DICOM files around, this is the real workflow. First, we will send DICOM files into Slicer. First, we start the storage listener from the 3D Slicer, and we notice it's saying it is running at port 11112. The Slicer default AE title is called Slicer, and we can confirm that by using echo SCU. I have already first downloaded all the DCMTK tools, and in this folder, it contains all the tools we will need. Let's first try to use the echo SCU command to verify the 3D Slicer AE title, and we can see it is sending the echo request, received the echo response, and therefore we verified the Slicer is the correct AE title. Now I'm going to use storescu to send images into the 3D Slicer. As you can see here, first the database in 3D Slicer is empty. There's nothing there. And I have some DICOM files in this folder. It's a total of 369 items. And now we are using storescu to send to Slicer. This is the AE title, and this is the IP address. In this case, it's a local host. This is the port number, and I'm going to send in all the DCM files in this folder. So now let's run this command. And the command window indicates it's sending files to the Slicer AE title. And it returns success. We can also see that here in the 3D Slicer, the data is sent into the database, and we have, let's see, and we can load into the data. And I want to verify how many numbers we have. Let's see if we can move this around. You can see it has one RT-DOS file and 168 CT images, a total of 169 items all sent here. Next, we will send from the 3D Slicer to an external server using this send to DICOM server option. But first, we need to set up our storage using storescp. So let's set it up. We are going to set a DICOM listener, and we will be listening at port 11113. Let's run it here. And as this command opens, this will send to the receive folder as I created here. Right now it is empty. And this AE title is the calling AE title. It's not necessarily need to be, so it is not the receiving AE title. But in this case, because we are not requiring it to be recognized by this storescp server, some DICOM servers are more particular. You have to add as a DICOM node in order to send. And here we just set up in such a way that it doesn't matter what the calling AE title is. And again, the host is at localhost, and we are using this port number. And we hit OK. And as it's sending, we can see that our storescp as a DICOM listener is able to receive the files. And again, it will be a total of 169 files. And the association releases. The command window indicates it all received. And we can also verify in our receive folder, and it received a total of 169 items. So that is a simple demo of storescu and storescp. If you enjoy demos like this and want to build your own mini PACS system, I have a complete hands-on DICOM course on PayHip. Check out the link in the description below. If you are a medical physicist, a researcher, or you are building medical AI tools, this course will save you hundreds of hours and upgrade your entire workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.